You can make money on YouTube without 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time. We created channels solely purpose of uploading YouTube shorts videos. Again, YouTube shorts videos, you can get paid in every single month. YouTube allocate around 100 million fund that you can see here. Each month, they will notify shorts creators that you can get paid, claim the bonus. So they will send the email, you click the email and you get paid every single month. That could be anywhere within $100 to $10,000. For this YouTube shorts, you don't need 1000 subscribers and 4000 hour watch time. All you need is create a good content and it will go viral and get millions of views and the watch time. Because of that, you get paid every single month. More than that, if you live in countries like India, Indonesia, Mexico, Nigeria, if we create shorts and they go viral and you can get paid every single month, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you some channels example and I'm going to show you a topic that you can create a video on it, how to create a script on it, how to create a video within 5 minutes. And I also, in the bonus, I'm going to show you how to further monetize the channel, guys. So watch the video until the end. Before we start, welcome to our channel where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to these channels and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions or opinion about these videos, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. On the search bar, I typed #shorts fun fact. These are the creators creating fun fact videos on any topic that you can see. Fun fact about Apple, and this guy is making fun fact about anything he came around, and he's a big TikToker and he has millions of followers on TikTok. He's making the same videos on TikTok. So if I open one of the channels here that you can see, he had around 600,000 subscribers, above 600,000 subscribers, and you can see he getting around 5 to 7,000 up to 10,000 subscribers every single month and millions of views every single month. Then you can see these videos under 1 minute and making random fact videos. More than that, this channels has a millions of, you can see nearly million of followers, and again getting 5 to 7 8,000 subscribers every single month, millions of views every single day. And you can see here, this guy is making a random videos under 1 minute, 30-second long, 40-second long, 32-second long. You can see here, each of the videos getting hundred thousands of views. Also, some of them are getting over millions of views. Now, for these views, you get paid from YouTube Shorts Fund. Now, also you can use this audience because these are personal brand. You can see he's built his channels on his name. I like this guy and he's built his channels on his name, so you can also further monetize that. So if you watch the video until the end, I will show you how you can do that. Let's begin, guys. I'm going to show you how you can find the topic, how you can write the script, and how you can make a videos less than 10 minutes, so you can easily make this kind of money every single day from home, guys. Before that, guys, like these videos, subscribe to my channels. Again, write me in the comment section where you from so I can make a video for you guys. Before we begin the videos, you need to understand something. You need to have a 1 minute or 60-second videos for YouTube Shorts. That means each 1 minute video has around 120 words. So your script should be less than 120 words. When you make a videos, it will come under 60 seconds. So what I did is go to Google and type random facts. These are the articles and websites write about random facts and anything, so science, technology, entertainment. I open one of this website here, and this is the website. The first article I completely satisfied with that title, and this is the information about that. There's a fact about twin babies. So because you're gonna create your channels in your name and you're gonna upload random fact videos in any topic, right? So you're gonna copy this. I'm gonna put it on Word document that you can see title and the content here. And if you open that, this articles around 111 words. So under 120, so it come around 40 seconds long. So that's fine. Now I'm going to show you how you can do the voiceovers and how you can make videos. If you're confident, you can do your own voiceovers. You can show your face in front of the camera, but otherwise, don't worry. There's a couple of the ways you can do it. For the voiceovers, I'm using Wellsaidlabs.com. This website, it will turn your text into audios like a human voiceover, but it is not a free tool. You can try it for free, but it's not a free tool. But there's also, I made a couple of videos in the past about free text to voice converters. I put the card on here and the link in the description. Watch that video after this video so you can learn about those tools, so you can use it for free, guys, if you can't afford it. Otherwise, if you use this tool, then you can convert text into voice like a human voice. I can show you a proof, guys. So you have to create a free account with it. And this is my dashboard. I copy and paste this text. This is the one. So I click create and it will create it on here. After that, you can download it on here. Now I'm going to play that and show you how is the voice look like.
More human twins are being born now than ever before. Do you get the feeling that there are more twins around these days than there?
Like that, guys. So very simple human like voiceover is done. You click that and download that into your computer. After that, you need to open any video editing software. There's a lots of them online, but my first recommendation is FlexClip, because this website has everything inbuilt for you, like royalty-free videos, images, background music, and everything is inside it. You need to click this one called Start from Scratch. Click timeline mode. Now it will bring a newly dashboard for editing. You need to upload that voiceover that you have done. This is the voiceover you downloaded from Wellsaidlabs.com. Upload it on here. Now we're going to upload a videos. You don't have to upload from different website. Everything built inside. Click stock media, click videos, and it will bring that. I'm going to type twin babies, right? And you can see these are the videos that you can use it for free on your video. Click plus button and it will automatically add it on your timeline mode. Now here you can see videos and audios are ready. So what you do, click again plus sign on that video. Like that, your video is added. Drag and drop your audio on here. Simple, guys, it's done. After that, what you do, click this three dots and click this one vertical format, and it will automatically resize in the vertical format. Now what you can do, click the each clip and you can resize it according to the frame, guys. Now you can see this is the done video I made using this tool. 42-second long, different videos are added, a voiceover is done. Click export button, 1080p, click next and download that video. After you download the video, go to YouTube. This is the dashboard where you can upload it. So upload that video, drag and drop it on here. That's it, guys. Now you can see, go back to the articles. This is the articles. You're going to copy the title. Everything's done for you. You don't have to do anything separately. So copy and paste on here. And what you're going to do, you're going to put hashtag shorts like that. And you can copy that in the description and you can put that on tags as well. Now here, this is one of the way that you can make money from YouTube Shorts by uploading random fact video like these guys. Now I'm going to show you how you can further monetize your channels. These channels did one thing better than other channels, is they create their channels on their names. You can see this channel and this their channels, they create the channels under their name, which means they can sell on merch on print on demand side like this one. So all they have to do is come and create a design, upload it on here, share the link in the description of their videos, and whenever people or one of their subscribers or fans click and buy them, they make additional money in the royalty as a passive income. Now you can see here, when they upload this short video here, they don't put any description here. There's no description, only the same thing with the title. They copy and paste on here. If you see the tags, there's no tags on here. But these videos are generating millions of views for these channels. So you can tap into that market. So you can do affiliate marketing, you can do CPA marketing, lots of other things that you can do with it. What you have to do is you need to create authentic, original content so you can get paid from YouTube as well. I hope, guys, you understand this videos. It's about make money on YouTube, uploading YouTube shorts, copy and paste method. Again, this is a video series 3. 1 and 2 already done. Go and check it out, those videos, guys, and leave a comment of what you want to see in the future, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.